my god, what is this? An LB?
Free Uzi. Yeah, I remember when that girl didn't need me. I didn't have no money and I couldn't find out what's the reason. Why? Now that hoe back on my team, cause my neck wet like a squeegee. Wow. We serve them packs in the net, we get them racks like Serena. Yeah, the sun out, so my boy's gonna trap today. When you get money every day like Saturday. Niggas lying, yeah, he stuck with a cap and face. Niggas ratting, they get hit with the Mac today. This my I don't even know what happened face. Grandma in the kitchen still singing happy days. I just popped the G6, I'm in my happy place.
why
Bro,
Benken.
Had to ask her what breath you take. I can make your little bitch just wanna percolate. Sex first, then we can have an after date. Gave me head to my shit, I'm decapitated. Look me in my eye and do I'm that nasty face. Make it rain in the club like a nasty day. Told him that I'm coming, no ejaculate. Pastry, pocket boy, you not having cake. Fuck that overcoat and I swear your jacket late. Bro just made his money back off a half a plate. Rollie cost me 40,000, that's half the face. I remember when them niggas all laughed at portfolios, now they all bring they apps to me. Wish before me that my bitch practice abstinence. Wishes don't come true until you just practice it. Niggas broke, never hope bitch we having it. Yes we spending it, but you know we stacking it. I was stepping on the beat, took a nap on it. If she shake her ass, you know I'm gon' slap on it. She was sucking my dick right on her knees. My mama busted, she said, girl, what is happening? She said, baby, you know your dad a panther. She said, mama, I'm just doing the Kaepernick. Frito-Lay, yeah, you know that I'm stacked, got a tattoo face, so you can see my blasphemy. It's some niggas that really just want blessing me, but you know I got some niggas that blasphemy. I'm not tall, but I ball like an athlete. Count my money, yeah, I turn to a mathlete. Had to get my business together. I had
Peek out, roll, boom.